is ZEROBILL wind turbine. It's fitted with solar, mainly used for street lighting. As you can see, the wind speed is hardly 2.5 meter per second. Not much of tree movement. Specially designed for low wind speeds. So rotation right now I would say is close to 100 rpm or something like that. It's a good model for low wind speed density because it's constantly been rotating and continuously generating power. Difficult to see the wings. You can't see the blades right now. I'll wait for it to stop so that you can see the blade. It's a 6-plate design with a passive fan, so it reorients itself with the slightest change in the wind. So it's been over 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or maybe more. I have to wait for it to stop to show you that it does have a blade. Okay, you can see that now it's slowing down.